see the numbers too.
Hey everybody, back with more reaction videos, Decode, and just to point out, if you didn't catch it on the community wall or via Gematria Fake News, of course the new book Number Games, I'm sure you'll be able to download it like a PDF, just like the first book. As I say, this one I know has hardback, hence why the price is basically $20 in US. And yeah, I mean, what can I say, man? Just, just download it. Of course, if you haven't got the first book, be sure to get Letters and Numbers. Definitely don't want to miss the information, impeccable information, not to be missed. Quick table of contents here. Again, feel free to pause. And again, if you're new here, check out playlist provided. Read what's put in the comments of literally every video for the last 6 months. And then you can be up to speed. As I say, we or me, or literally the community, we can, chill out right now. We don't even have to be as intense when it comes to, even being too ranty. Do you know what I mean? And less of that. Because the information speaks for itself. And of course, the admissions from the you-know-whos says it all, really. Just like what I'm about to show you right now. So here we have back to school. Boris takes aim at unions and says it's a moral duty to get schools open. Yeah? So you can see the Prime Minister at St. Joseph Catholic School in East London. And we'll touch on more of that in one moment, of course, because that is the main decode for this video. Couldn't help but notice barbecue bug. COVID outbreak linked to pub barbecue as health officials battle to trace 70 customers. I mean, coronavirus equals 70. Unbelievable. So, what we got? Moral duty. 114, Wuhan virus 114. And of course, the 114th prime is 619, like June 19th. Of course, that's Boris Johnson's birthday, right? We'll get back to taking aim in one moment. Oh, actually, Boris Johnson 59, taking aim 59. Also both 158, like Freemasonry 158 and Freemasonry 67 with Boris Johnson. Again, he won via 47 seats. The Tories equals 47. And he came into his puppet position 158 weeks after Creature Features Theresa May. And of course, as I've said how many times, he had the recent car crash synced up with Creature Features Theresa May. Why am I saying that? If you don't know, well, I think it was 2018, she had a crash in Belgium. And then Boris Johnson just had one recently via some BLM, Black Lives Matter protester. Again, all scripted. Why am I saying that? Well, car crash equals 145. And if you do it from the day of that crash to the annual of the crash for Theresa May in the same year, it's 145 days. Again, car crash 145, go figure. Now, reopen schools 65, coronavirus 65. Again, they're playing with people's mental health. Again, lockdown 119, mental health 119, and 61. Obey equals 61. And of course, the rest that goes with that when it comes to the 119s. So there's the 65 coronavirus, just like reopen schools. Was it 83 we had? Okay, it's the reflection. Reopening schools, 83. A reflection of 38. We have a numerology of 38 today. Again, Freemasonry 59 and 58. Give me one moment. So United Kingdom 65, reopening schools, of course, United Kingdom, with the whole lockdown and blah, blah, blah. So 65, just like coronavirus, 65, and 70 like coronavirus as well. Now England equals 30 and 33, just like corona. And note the 132. Why is that interesting? Because of course, oops, Scottish Rite 57 there as well. But anyway, as in Scottish Rite Freemasonry. But anyway, England 132. Oops, where is it gone now? Oh my god, let me get it up quickly. Sorry. Where is it? There it is. You see the time? 2 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Taking aim. Schools reopening. Boris Johnson takes aim at demanding. Remember, executing a plan, excuse me. Execution, as in execute a plan, or executing a plan. Anyway, execution 44, demanding was 44, wasn't it? Go back here. Yeah, demanding 44, by execution 44. And again, people, police, society 33 as well. This is what they were doing with the people, right? Policing and governing your mind, your mental. That's what government means. Now, archery 39, moral duty 39. Again, he's at the school doing archery. Also, archery 78, like Prime Minister and Wuhan coronavirus. It's probably why they had him pretend to have COVID-19. And in 2 minutes, as he comes out of the flipping hospital from St. Thomas, he's straight away seeing his newborn baby. Really? And then it was about 6 weeks later, the first time the guy had on a mask, or 2 months later. Because that only just happened recently, like 3 weeks ago or something. Him and Donald Trump. As it's already been documented. Secrecy order also 33, 39. You got the, again, moral duty 39, archery 39. And of course, Jesuit, Zionism, Freemasonry, Masonry. And of course, Saturn 42. And 30 as well, England 30. Now note, they do say, we'll get to the slide in a second. But note, look, archery class equals 132. Just like England. And I'm sure United States of America 132 as well. Note the 51 archery class, like moral duty at the bottom there in the middle on the light blue. Now, if you remember, we broke down the the mocking with the happy birthday about a week back, in conjunction with the upload that I put out, and how many other uploads since I first clocked onto the riddle, which was March 3rd, the 63rd day of the year, when Boris Johnson came out and said, you know, when you wash your hands, sing happy birthday twice. Again, happy birthday equals 63. It was the 63rd day of the year, March 3rd. Remember, Corona 33, People, Police, Society. And from that day to his birthday, June 19th, is 15 weeks and 3 days. Happy birthday also equals 153. And for the rest of that, just go through the videos and read what's left in the comments. Screenshot it, share it with everybody. Learn it, then you'll be able to reel it off the top of your head just like me. Now, the 3 words that he came up with the other day, what was it? Hands, face, space. 3 words equals 63. Oh man, unbelievable. Archery lesson equals 63. Also April Fool's Day, all chains along, just as April 1st does as well. Just go through the videos, read what I put in the comments, and you'll soon catch it. April Fool's Day 63 and 153 and 72. I just saw a 72. Where was that? Archery lesson 72. Note the 198 as well. Just like happy birthday 198, 63, 72. Oh look, from his birthday, from his birthday, 1 month, 3 weeks and 2 days. Unbelievable. And you got the 74 in there, of course, Masonic 74. Of course, that's really a reflection of 47, authority, obey 47. And agent, news, Trump 47, Judge Wig gavel. And more that I'm forgetting right now. But anyway, if it's unchecked there, you can see the 53. COVID equals 53. And then when it's not checked, of course, it would be 52. Government, President, White House, 52. Again, these are all puppets playing a role. 59, what am I seeing here? Taking Aim, 59. They give you post time of 59 minutes past. Unbelievable. And you can see the Taking Aim in blue. What else have we got here? British Prime Minister Boris Johnson, interesting, with the 201, the Jesuit order 201. We've got the 213 in there, of course, the prime relationship of that. 1,303 dropped to 0. Government, President, White House, or 2 out of the 3 definitely equals 133. I can't remember, does Jesuit order equal 177 as well? As well as the 201? I think it does. I don't think it's 117, I'm sure it was 177. So here he is visiting a school in East London. Boris Johnson is visiting St. Joseph's Catholic School in East London today. His comments came as a war is being waged between ministers and teachers. And teachers' unions over a checklist of demands they need to be implemented before staff return. All bullshit. All absolute. It's just amazing to me how people just fall in line so easily and don't do any homework. You know? Obviously, if everybody decided not to, comply, what's the government gonna do? Fuck all. What can they do? Fuck all. Let's be really real. Why are these people complying so easily? Well, that's rhetorical. We already know that, right? So note, also from his birthday, it's 1 month and 22 days. We'll get to why that's important in one moment. So 1 month, 22 days from his birthday, right? Because of course, St. Joseph Catholic School equals 122. Go figure. Yeah. Again, moral duty, 114, 140th prime, 619, 619, like June 19th, Boris Johnson's birthday. So here he is doing his archery at Premier Education Summer Group Camp, or Summer Camp, excuse me, at Sacred Heart of Mary Girls' School, Upminster. Boris wipes down the bowl during his archery session today. What else have we got here? What's that on the floor? Must be for social distancing, right? all nonsense. Again, never rule out them putting something in the chemtrails. Did you see the chemtrails today in the UK? I don't know what it's like now. I haven't looked out, but a couple of hours ago it was absolutely disgusting. The haze, but like, where's the protest for that? It's just, how long's that been going on, you know? 15 odd years or more than that since it's really been going crazy. It's like, wow, nobody, like, where's the protest for that? And why are you spraying the fucking skies? Do you not live in the habitat? Like, this is my, like, do you know how off key you have to be to do that? It's so off key. Again, these people are polarized to fuckery and off keyness. So, Boris Johnson uses hand sanitizer, you know, more mind control for anyone that reads it that ain't got a clue what's going on. We're running out to buy how much toilet roll and stuff. Anyway, so here he is using hand sanitizer. Of course, hand sanitizer, 78 and 210. Wuhan coronavirus, Prime Minister 78, and Wuhan coronavirus 210. Something I'm forgetting with the 141 and the 60. I think Wuhan virus 60, if I remember correctly. Sacred Heart of Mary Girls School, 160. Mind control, 160. Toilet paper. Royal Family, 56. 137, 160, and 61. Again, mental health, 61. You know? And the mental health, 119. Lockdown, 119. Suicide, 119. Mood swing, 119. State of mind, 171. 171st prime, 1019. Drop to 0, 119. I might be overlooking something with Bo right now. Let me know in the comments if you pick up on something. Anyway, so there's the Wuhan coronavirus, 78, 210 there. Remember, order at Chaos Trouble 2. Remember, it's 222 weeks since 9/11, 2001, since they deemed it a pandemic, which of course is a plandemic. Yeah, and of course that was March 11th. Again, if you write out coronavirus pandemic, it equals 113. And don't forget the Talmud and all the words of deception that goes with that passage. Just watch my last video if you're new. I do show it in that one. Or one of the parts to my last video, which should have been one part, but the recording decided to cut out. Now, onto this. No respect. Ghouls, the Insta-ghouls. Ghouls pose for sexy pics in front of Beirut blast, where, in front of Beirut blast site, where 158 died. Again, Freemasonry 158. Remember, we had the plane crash at the beginning of the year, with the stuff to do with Trump and all this stuff with, what was it, Iran? The 176. How did it go again, man? What was it? Black boxes 176, black box 614. That's Trump's birthday, June 14th. And there was something else. Donald J. Trump 176. The Prime Minister. Oh my God, what is his name? Damn, the Prime Minister out there, whatever his name is, equals 176. And I think there's even one more 176 to go with that. I mean, it's just a mockery, left, right, and center, man. Now, pose equals 55. Yeah? And 17. They got 17 pictures. Masonry 17. Of course, people got sacrificed on that day, unfortunately. Sacrifice 55. In Genesis 4:6, it begins with a sacrifice. Sacrifice also equals 46. And I didn't mention the 26s. Going back to the last decode with the COVID stuff, you know, read in the comments and understand all the 26s and why it's so important to understand the numerical value of COVID-19, disease, plague, virus, viral, China. Corona means crown. Yeah, and what crown equates to, and God and letter and all this stuff, and you'll see the similarity. And literally most of them are in the blue cipher as well. That all equal the same number, 26. Chaos 26 again is 19 years after 9/11. Chaos 26 and 19. Those posting selfies on social media receive substantial backlash. Again, Q 17 as well. Again, Masonry 17. I did already say Masonry, but I'll say it again. Selfies 75. Oh look, and Pose is 19. Fucking hell, Q 28. Ghouls 28. Thelema 28. Masonic 43. Killing 43. Of course, the 47 and 133 is in there anyway. I can't remember if terrorism or terrorist equals 65. I'm sure one of them does. But anyway, selfie 75, right? And today, 223rd day there, the 48th prime, 223. Huge skull and bones number. I'm sure if you write out skull and crossbones, it equals 223. And of course the synagogue of Satan, that's spoken about in Revelation and all that stuff. 223. And there's a bit more that goes with that, but just go through the decodes and you'll soon catch it up. And of course affiliated channels, you'll find them in the playlists. Again, there's a reason why I'm not subscribed to everybody. I still send out much love, but if you're less than sometime-ish and then go on like people don't exist, you know, what stance do you expect somebody like myself to have, you know? Fucking hell, man. The amount of bridge connecting and building I've tried to do. So anyway, Beirut 75, 42. Selfies 42, 75. Again, Masonry, Zionism, Freemasonry, Jesuits, one of the two, and Saturn equal 42. But again, Beirut 75, Selfie 75, and the 30's in there as well. Saturn equals 30. And why am I saying the 75? Because of course, as they've been saying, it's been 75 years since Hiroshima bomb in Japan, right? Again, Beirut 75, Selfies 75. Unbelievable. Yeah? Absolutely disgusting, these people are, man. To do what you do and sleep at night and then, you know, just true psychopathological, narcissistic, sociopathic, necromancy, satanic hybrids. That's what they are, mate. All your news anchors, you know, all those that help to be instrumental in what's going on. It's pretty sickening. Again, aren't your children here? There's like chemtrails, coronavirus lockdown. Oh my God. Oh my God. How is nobody saying fuck this shit and fucking rebel and revolt and say, raw, hold up? Do you know what I mean? Like, it's just beyond me at this point. As I say, I've said it all in the last year and a bit. You know, go through the videos, you'll hear me go in, rant passionately on all sorts. Anyway, so Hiroshima 55. We just spoke about 55. Pose 55. Kill 64. Scottish Rite Freemasonry 143, I think it is as well, you know, as well as 75. No, 57, excuse me, the reflection. Thelema 64, Kill 64, Sacrifice 55, Pose 55. Hiroshima bomb 75. Come on, man. You seeing this? Beirut 75, Selfie 75. It's been 75 years since Hiroshima bomb, which equals 75. Ugh. It is just brutal. So disgusting. And of course, murder, death, kill, count to destroy, found dead, execute, delete, Oh man, Masonic. Well, that's 38, but it's the same anyway. 83, 38. You know how they roll with this practice. You know, Murder 83. Again, check out the song by The Police that came out in 1983. Check out the movie with Sandra Bullock. Again, Hiroshima, Japan, 142. Terrorists equals 142. And 52 like government. President, White House. When was Al-Qaeda first mentioned again? Wasn't that not tomorrow? The day that leaves 142 days of the year? Which was way before 9/11. Go figure. How long was the, there it is, that 65. How long was the Mind Control 61 or Base 61? And how long was the, what was it? The hour and, what is it? Oh man. 102 minutes that changed the world, which equates to 1 hour, 42 minutes. Again, Twin Towers and all that stuff. There's a lot more that goes with that. Go through the uploads and other channels. Download the book. But again, you know, terrorist 142. Again, what are the odds? And you got the 26 prime factor in there as well. Playing God over you. 26 prime. 101. God 26. Letter 26. And much more. Pretty disgusting. Oh, so that's it. Homeless, fat, mother, loving, power, spread love and light. Hashtag don't be a basic beast brainer. And of course, give gracious gratitude, but take no shit. Yep. 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 Hyperboloid. Oh, there definitely are. Yep. Cognitive dissonance. Oh, that needs to be eradicated from the minds of the masses.
Here's reality.